To get to your AAG dashboard, click the Login button located on the upper right corner of your screen and enter your email address and password. If you are already logged into your account, you can access your AAG dashboard by clicking on the profile icon next to the search button and then selecting My AAG Dashboard. To renew your AAG membership, click on the Membership and Communities navigation. From here, click on the Renew Membership button. You will then be given the option to view your current or recent memberships if you are not sure which option to choose. Open the drop-down to choose the type of membership you want, which includes student membership, individual membership, or lifetime membership. After selecting your option, you will be able to choose the membership relevant for you. After choosing your membership option, you will then be able to update your communication preferences if you want to make any changes from your previously selected options. You will then be able to update your income group if necessary. If there is no change to your income, simply click Continue. You will then be able to update your primary address if necessary to make sure it is current and up to date. If there is no change to your address, simply click Continue. You will then be able to update your affinity group or specialty group. Affinity and specialty groups gather AAG members who share similar research or professional interests and facilitate their communication and collaboration. If there are no additional changes to your affinity or specialty group, simply click on Add to Cart. Once you have reviewed your cart selection, click Proceed to Checkout. Review your information to make sure everything is up to date. You will then enter your payment information and click Process Payment to complete the transaction. You will be taken to the confirmation page. Please allow up to 10 minutes for your account to reflect the appropriate changes. While your account is being set up, you can start to explore your AAG dashboard by clicking on Proceed to Dashboard. This completes the membership renewal process. Thank you for watching.